Welcome back, folks. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. We've discovered 5 remarkable AI tools that will revolutionize the way you do business. These tools will boost your productivity, efficiency, and overall effectiveness. Trust us, once you try them, you won't look back. We've been blown away by their capabilities, and we can't wait to share them with you. So let's dive right in and start with the first tool that we believe everyone can relate to. Tool number 1, Fireflies. AI. If you're like us and have back-to-back Zoom meetings that tend to blur together, then you know how crucial it is to have someone take notes for you. Well, not anymore. Say goodbye to the need for an assistant because Fireflies.ai is here to save the day. This amazing tool works seamlessly with Zoom, Google Meets, and Microsoft Teams. It records your meetings, transcribes them, and even summarizes the important points for you. But here's the real magic: Fireflies. AI also lists out all the actionable steps discussed during the meeting. And if you ever forget something, just ask Fireflies AI to remind you, and it'll play back that specific part of the meeting. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. Oh, and did we mention that Fireflies.ai can integrate with your CRM, Trello, or Monday.com ? Yes, you heard that right. It can create tasks for you right in the middle of your meeting. Just imagine saying, "Hey teammate, I need this done by Wednesday. Can you take care of it?" And boom. Fireflies.ai creates that task in your project management tool. It's mind-blowing. Trust us, you need to check out Fireflies.ai for all your meeting needs. It's a game changer that eliminates the need for a note-taking assistant. Prepare to be amazed. All right, moving on to our next incredible tool, Ingesti.io. Picture this. Every time a new team member joins your organization or you work with another agency, you find yourself answering the same questions repeatedly. It's time-consuming and frankly not the best use of your valuable time, but fear not, because Ingesti.io has your back. This tool is like having a virtual AI consultant with your knowledge base. All you have to do is transcribe your existing content and feed it into Ingesti.io. It's a Discord bot that responds to questions based on your previous answers. Imagine anyone on your team being able to ask the bot a question and instantly receive the answer you've given before. It's a game changer for managers dealing with redundant queries from new hires, trainees, or even clients. Just take a 1-hour voice recording answering those common, frequently asked questions, transcribe it, and let the bot do the rest. The days of repeatedly answering the same questions are over. It's time to let Ingesti.io handle the heavy lifting for you. Now let's move on to tool number 3, Tango.us. Are you tired of repetitive tasks that eat up your precious time? We've got the perfect solution for you. Tango.us is a process automation tool that will streamline your workflows and make your life so much easier. Instead of wasting hours teaching the same tasks to new team members, you can simply share the SOPs, standard operating procedures, created with Tango.us. It's like handing them the keys to your organization's growth and scalability. With the Tango.us Chrome extension, you can effortlessly record your workflow. Every click you make is captured as a screenshot, along with the descriptive text of the action. The best part? You don't even need to use your microphone. Tango.us creates step-by-step guides based on your actions alone. It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Say goodbye to repetitive training sessions and hello to increased productivity with Tango.us. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their processes and save valuable time. All right, folks, we're not done yet. Buckle up because we have 2 more incredible AI tools to share with you. Let's move on to tool number 4, Canva. If you're in need of stunning visuals for your social media posts, website, or even a complete rebrand, Canva is here to make your life easier. It's like having a user-friendly Photoshop at your fingertips, minus the steep learning curve and hefty designer fees. Canva recently unveiled their new AI suite, and it's mind-blowing. Let's talk about Magic Design. With this feature, you can simply drag and drop a photo of yourself, and Canva will work its magic, creating beautifully designed flyers and posters. You can add text, and it looks like you've hired a professional designer using Photoshop. It's that simple. And that's not all. Canva's Magic Eraser is a game changer for anyone dealing with unwanted elements in their photos. Need to remove a phone charger that snuck into the background of your perfect shot? Just draw over it and poof, it's gone as if it was never there. But wait, there's more. Canva's Magic Edit feature takes it up another notch. Imagine you need props for your clothing brand photo shoot like a real orange. You don't have time to go to the store or buy oranges. No worries. Simply draw over the background and command Canva to add oranges for aesthetics. Voila! Your picture now showcases your clothes with a beautiful orange in the scene. Canva's AI tools are a game changer for creating professional designs without any coding skills. Say hello to polished visuals and bid farewell to design struggles. Last, we have tool number 5, Hoppy Copy. Now, we know there are tons of copywriting tools out there, but this one is in a league of its own. HoppyCopy writes high-converting emails 10 times faster than you could on your own. We all know how crucial email campaigns are in business, whether you're in e-commerce or running a marketing agency. HoppyCopy takes care of the heavy lifting when it comes to drip campaigns and email automation. This fantastic tool generates the copy, creates templates, and designs the entire flow of your email campaign. Let's say you have a list of 10,000 people. Instead of crafting individual emails and setting up a drip campaign from scratch, HoppyCopy provides ready-made templates for the entire campaign. It tailors each email to your desired end goal, optimizing for conversions and persuasion. Are you trying to recover abandoned carts? HoppyCopy has you covered with pre-written emails designed to win back those lost customers. It's like having a personal copywriting assistant that knows exactly what to say and when to say it. Say goodbye to writer's block and time-consuming email copy creation. HoppyCopy is here to supercharge your email campaigns and take your business to new heights. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible AI tools that will transform the way you do business. We highly recommend checking them out and giving them a try. Whether you need seamless meeting management with Fireflies.ai, a virtual AI consultant with Ingest.io, streamlined processes with Tango.ws, stunning designs with Canva's AI suite, or high-converting emails with HoppyCopy, these tools are the secret sauce to success. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Help your friends and colleagues by sharing this valuable information with them, but remember, keep your competitive edge intact. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.